that there ain't no question in my mind that they're enjoying it. They're not enjoying it, but we still need to be there for them. Can I get a witness? Don't think that you all holier than thou. I know I want to go through this, but I'm glad today. I'm happy. Remember I told you today I was happy because I love the Lord. Can I get a witness? And God loves us. Can I get a witness? This text tells me that it doesn't matter what you look like. Can I get a witness? It don't matter what you're going through. The Lord knew what this lady was going through. Anybody in here going through some things? Anybody in here ever been through some things? God knows all about it. The songwriter said, Jesus knows all about our struggles. He will guide us till the day is done. Before he closed his book, he said, there's not a friend like the Lord. Anybody here know that Jesus is a friend? Sickness come. Ain't Jesus a friend? Don't worry about it. Because you get sick, won't God make a way? The devil will tell you, don't trust him.